Working with Cubase music production and encountered an all file, this is an arrangement file used by Steinberg Cubase Digital Audio Workstation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn ALL files. An ALL file is a song arrangement file created by Steinberg Cubase, a professional digital audio workstation, DAW. This legacy format, used in older versions of Cubase VST, stores the arrangement of audio and MIDI parts, but not the audio data itself. Users encounter this when trying to open old projects, needing to relink associated audio files. The ALL format was designed as a lightweight project file, essentially a map that references external audio and MIDI files. It contains pointers to these assets, along with track settings, automation data, and timeline information. This separation of arrangement and media was common in early DAWs to manage system resources efficiently. The operating system preferentially attempts to open ALL using Steinberg Cubase from Steinberg Media Technologies GmbH. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can handle basic playback for most audio files, but advanced editing still requires dedicated audio software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your ALL file and choose Open With. Test Steinberg Cubase first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If the ALL file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening in Cubase. Launch a compatible older version of Steinberg Cubase and use File then Open to load the All Arrangement file. The application loads all tracks audio MIDI mixer settings and effects, restoring the project to its saved state for continued music production work. Next, migrating to modern Cubase. Open the All file in older Cubase and use File then Save, as to save the project as a modern CPR file. The newer format is fully supported in current Cubase versions, ensuring continued access to the project on modern systems, with all production data preserved. Finally, locating audio files. Ensure the audio files referenced by the All project are accessible at their original paths or move them to a known location, updating the references through Cubase's media management. Missing audio files appear as offline tracks requiring manual reconnection through Find Missing Files dialog. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.